What's up, DGens? Welcome or welcome back to my DeFi life. Now, in the previous video, we talked about leveling up your copy trading in the hunt for profitable wallets using the DGen wallet checker and some great features the DGen wallet checker has to find those profitable wallets. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to put those wallets to work inside a copy trading bot. So if you haven't watched the first video, not up to speed with the DGen checker bot, make sure you check out that in the card link above to get up to speed on how to find those profitable wallets before we put them inside the trading bot. So let's crack on and see how we can put these wallets to work inside TradeWiz, my favorite copy trading bot. Now, you folk might have some copy trading bots that you like or prefer rather than TradeWiz. Totally up to you, but TradeWiz is my favorite because it has so many features available in order to filter out trades from the wallets that you're copying. So TradeWiz is my favorite. Let's jump in and have a look at how we can put these wallets to work and try and make some profits. Okay, for the second part of this level up your game video for copy trading, how to put your wallets to work. And we're going to do that with TradeWiz. Now you can use TradeWiz, or there are many other variations of other bots, copy trading bots that you can use. So use whichever one you're comfortable with, but I use TradeWiz because there's many features available for filtering wallets and filtering trades to get those really nice gains in terms of copy trading those trades. So what you need to do is jump into TradeWiz and get your menu up here and just hit copy trade, and you'll get a number of wallets. If you've already got some trades happening, they will show up here. Now I've got a few running right here right now. Some of the ones from the actual first video are already in here, but I'm going to show you how to input your very own wallets and how to get those running. Now there are also some new features that have been added to TradeWiz very recently. I'm going to touch base on those as well. The first one you'll see here on the copy trading menu, all only copy sells, not buys. Now there used to be just a pause all button here when you can pause all your copy trades if you wanted to. Market wasn't very good, so you can pause all, just like the market is right now. Not very good, but there are still some opportunities to make gains with copy trading. Now there's a new button here called all only copy sells, not buys. If you do want to pause your copy trading, you can choose to only pause the buys. So when you pause the buys and only copy the sells, it means you might have some copy trade wallets set up that are following the actual sells of a wallet that you're copy trading. So if you hit this button here, then they'll do those sells, and those sells will continue to happen. Even if you don't want to initiate any more buys, then you can still copy the sells. So it's another way of pausing your copy trading, making sure that the wallets that you're copy trading will still be able to sell. Previously, you would have to get out of your position manually in order to pause all. So that is a great additional feature for the TradeWiz bot. So let's jump in and add a new wallet. Now, before I add a new wallet, just go back. You can jump into any one of these settings here and copy these settings. So if you've got some settings that you really love, that you've got a wallet that suits these settings, then you can just hit copy these settings right here, and that'll copy those settings. And all you need to do is add in the wallet and the tag, and you're done, and just hit create and active. So therefore, that is very, very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to create one from scratch. So we just hit add, and we're going to create a wallet or add a wallet, put a wallet to work from scratch. So let's do that right now. Now, if you remember in the previous video, I found an alpha wallet that one of my wallets that I found, one of my target wallets that I found was actually copy trading off. So I'm going to use this alpha wallet and run some tests to see if I can get some profits from this alpha wallet using the copy traders function inside DGen Checkerbot, looking for trading patterns where you can find alpha wallets or other wallets that are copy trading your target wallet. Very handy feature. Again, I suggest you look at that first video, check it out, card link above if you want to check out those new features for the DGen Checkerbot. So let's add in a wallet that I want to do some tests. So again, we have a nice little alpha strategy that's been put together by the community, or one of our community members. Mr. Alpha does some fantastic copy trades. He prints literally every week, and he's made a strategy for our community. You can find that inside our community, or you can find it in the card link above, where I've put it into one of my videos. So the strategy is to make sure you test first your wallets before you start scaling up and start making profits. Make sure you run a few tests to see if you can actually copy trade a wallet, so you don't lose a lot of SOL from your balance in terms of getting started. So test with the small amounts, make sure you can get those trades running, and if they're going well, then you scale up and start making some profits. So we're going to do that with this wallet. Just a quick break from the video to let you know about our weekly live stream, Meme Monday. Every Monday, 2 p.m. UTC, I do a live stream updating on the meme market, updating on our premium trade results, giving away airdrops for trade competitions, and also giving away access for those who want to get access to the premium channel. Plenty happening every Monday, 2 p.m. UTC. Hope to see you there. Cheers. So we're going to add that wallet into here by clicking on target wallet, and that will add the target wallet here. And then we just need to add a tag. I usually put the last 3 digits or characters, A to D, and then we have our first setup for this wallet. Now, buy percentage, I do not worry about changing buy percentage because I always put a manual limit here in terms of my max buys. So what I'm going to do is, because we're testing this wallet, I'm going to put 0.01 so we can run some tests and see if this wallet is going to be any good before we scale up and start making some profits. Minimum buy limit, let's just keep that the same, 0.01. There's no point in really making it different. Total investment SOL, not limited. Now the total investment SOL is the limit that you will invest in a wallet in total before TradeWiz will actually stop copying that wallet for you. So this is a very good feature. I'm going to put 0.25 just as a limit, just in case things don't go well in terms of the test and he goes out of control and starts hitting many trades. So what will happen is if you have many trades that fail, this limit will be hit quite quickly, and therefore TradeWiz will stop copy trading that wallet, so you will not be drained of your balance out of your wallet. So that is a fantastic feature. Each token buy times not limited. Now for tests, I don't normally worry about this. I want to follow the steps this trader makes, so I'm just going to leave that blank for now. For most of my trades that do scale up, I do sometimes limit that depending on the results of my tests, of course. But if I do limit that, it's usually 1 token. Each token buy times by 1 time for each token. But for tests, I'll leave that as is. Buy times reset after sold. I'll also leave that false. Do not copy additional buys, false. Now this is another new feature that's been added by TradeWiz. Now this feature will stop you from copying other wallets buying the same token. So if you have quite a few wallets that you're copy trading and they all buy the same token, then the first wallet will buy that. And then if those other wallets do try to buy that token, then this will actually stop that buy if you set that to true. But I'm going to leave that as false for now. So that is a fantastic new feature. Unrenounced, I'm going to buy, and unburned, I'm going to buy. Usually I allow my wallets to do what they do. I don't worry about trying to filter out whether it's unrenounced or unburned. If I find a good wallet, I want to copy trade those tokens. I want to copy trade the trades that they do, and I want to filter out other specific types of trades, whether it's a market cap limit. Usually it's a market cap limit, but I'm going to leave those as is for the test as well. Traders transaction max limit, not limited. Now I don't worry about this for the test either, but depending on the wallet that you're trying to copy trade and the kind of trades they do, you may want to limit this to try and limit any kind of price movement if they do happen to ape into a trade. So good idea to see what happens during the tests with this limit here. You may need to add a limit, maybe 10 SOL is a good limit to have, depending on the market caps that they're getting into as well. Again, traders transaction min not limited, I don't worry about that. Copy pump true, copy radium true for the testing period, no worries about that. Min LP, I don't worry about that either. Max market cap, not limited. Min market cap. Now for the min market cap, I do like to set my minimum market cap to about 20 or 25,000, just so I don't get into those low ball trades, 5K, 10K, a lot riskier than the other market caps. So my settings here, I'm going to set that for 25,000, just in case this wallet decides to jump in and ape into some low market cap trades. Generally, they tend to be a lot more risky, a lot less chance of being profitable. But obviously, if they are profitable, they're very profitable. So it depends on your risk level, I guess. But my risk level, I don't want to get into those low market cap coins. I just want to get some solid percentage gains from my wallets that I'm copy trading. Copy sells, I'm going to leave as true, obviously, and I'm going to put sell position ratio to true because I just want to follow everything this wallet is doing for my tests to see how things run. Now, depending on the results of those tests, then I will obviously make changes according to those results, whether I decide to continue copy trading and scale up or decide to cull that wallet altogether. So we'll see how things go with the testing and see what we need to do in order to scale up this wallet. No position sell notice, false. I don't worry about that. Auto retry 1 time, I'll just leave that as is. First copy sell percentage, I do not worry about that as well. Now, when you're looking at the report of your wallet, it's important to have a look at those gas fees, buy and sell gas fees, as well as the tips. Now this wallet is not doing any tips, but they are doing some pretty high fees. Now it's a little bit higher than what I would normally recommend. 002 is probably the highest buy or sell gas fee that you want to follow in terms of copy trading a wallet. So if a wallet is doing 002, then you want to put 003 as your gas fee for buy and sell gas. Now this wallet is doing a little bit higher than that, but I do want to try and see if I can get into this wallet and get some profits from this copy trading. So important to do those tests with our alpha strategy. Again, I recommend sticking to 002. And if the wallet is on average buying gas fee for 002, then you should put 003 here. Occasionally, it's okay to test some wallets that are doing a little bit higher gas fee just to see how you go. But again, that recommendation is 0.002 for the most part. You will get a lot more success with wallets with lower gas fees. Buy slippage, sell slippage, I'm going to leave that at 35%. We'll see how things run. We'll see how things run for the tests. If there's any issues with slippage, then we'll just increase and continue the tests and see how those run. Pump slippage, leave it at 54%. Sell pump slippage, 35%. Copy trade auto sell. Now, for the tests, I always run copy sells and the sell position by ratio just to make sure I can test this wallet fully to see how they're performing. And then from there, I can make decisions about whether I want to copy their sells or create my own take profit levels down here in order to take profits and avoid some of those bad trades. Basically, we're done adding this wallet in terms of testing. So now we're going to run some tests on this wallet and see how those run for a few trades. And we'll come back and have a look at how those go. Just hit create and that is done. Bob's your uncle. And that is their wallet right there, and it is now running. So good to go. Okay, DGens, we are back, and I've been running some tests on multiple wallets over the last 24 hours, and not just that one wallet you saw me input before. I've done a few wallets now. Bit of a mixed bag of results. Probably should have listened to the alpha strategy and not gone for a higher gas fee than 0.002, where I went for 005, but some other wallets have had some other interesting results as well. So let's jump in and have a look at those results for the tests. Now, these are only tests to find out whether these wallets are going to be any good. So let's have a look at the mixed bag of results that I got here. 11% down, 83%, minus 10%, not so good, 90% down on that one, 111% on this one, another 111 on that one, and 15%, minus 51, minus 90 on that one. So a bunch of tests over the last 24 hours, about 2 or 3 different wallets that I put in for testing periods. Very, very interesting results. Some not so good, some fantastic. So it's a good idea to take those results and make your decisions. Now, when it comes to testing, we need to have a look at our little strategy over here to make sure that we're all on the same page. Now, this strategy is in our premium channel, as well as linked in the card link above in a video I did on a fantastic strategy to get started when it comes to copy trading. But when it comes to testing the wallet, once you select a wallet, test with small trades. We've done that, 0.01. One of the wallets was a bit over 0.002, so we learned our lesson there. Don't need to worry about testing wallets too much when it comes to getting outside of these parameters. Copy 2 to 3 trades, we've done that. We've got some good results, some not so good results. So if any buy or sells fail due to slippage, MEV or gas fees, move on to the next wallet. So obviously we're going to ditch some of those wallets that got those bad results. Compare results. If my profit loss differs by more than 20% compared to the wallet I'm copying, I drop it and find another wallet. So make sure those good results that come through, double check what those scores were compared to the wallet that you're targeting, and see if the profits are any different or any higher than 20% or more when it comes to your target wallet. So that is a fantastic way of testing without losing too much Solana in order to find good copy trade wallets. Now, once you've found those good wallets, you need to scale up. So you find a wallet, you scale up to 0.1, go through to 0.3 if you continue to have success. Now, keep an eye on these wallets. These aren't going to last forever, so some wallets will last for a week, some will last a bit longer, but it depends entirely on the wallet. You need to keep active on this every day. Make sure you check the results, check those trades that are happening, and also continue to hunt for those elusive, profitable wallets like we showed you in the first video on leveling up your copy trading game. Now, let me just show you some of the results that are happening in our premium channel. For our copy traders, we have P&L cards here. Now, we'll just run through some of these P&L cards and you'll see some of the test trades that have been coming through, and you'll also see some of the scaling up trades that have been coming through. There's been some fantastic results for our community. Great result there for a test trade, 0.01, 130%, definitely worth scaling up if that kind of trade continues. We have a 0.05, so this person has obviously done their test trades. Now they're scaling up bit by bit, 0.05 to start with. This one didn't quite work out, 0.156. Fantastic result here from this test trade, 0.01 to 0.75 Solana, 6,383%. That is absolutely going for it. That is 220% for this one, and a scale up here, and some nice testing coming through from these copy traders in our premium channel. This is the way to do it. If you want to get into copy trading, make sure you jump into the premium DJ Miracles channel, link in the description below. Jump on board. You'll not only get access to the fantastic DJ Checkerbot premium version, you'll also get access to the support level on this community, which is absolutely second to none. I can tell you that now. These guys are absolutely killing it when it comes to copy trading. Look at these test trades that are coming through. And these are not so much test trades. This is alpha. This is the guy that put together the strategy that is absolutely killing it for our community right now. So thank you, Alpha, for that strategy. Make sure you jump into the DJ Miracles premium channel. Maybe keep an eye out for part 3 of this video, where I'm scaling up the wallets that I'm finding, and we're starting to make some profits. So that is how you put your wallets to work inside the TradeWiz copy trading bot. Check out my playlist above for any further details. All right, DGens, meme maniacs, thanks for joining me on this 2-part video on how to level up your strategies for copy trading and making profits in that sector while the market is not so great. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, hit me up in our free Telegram group, link in the description below. If you want to jump in and use our premium services, get involved with the DJ Checkerbot on the premium level to find those profitable wallets. The link to that is also in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, smash that notification bell so you can be notified when new videos drop. Also, don't fade the Meme Monday live streams, 12-month anniversary coming up of our live streams every week. So we've got some massive giveaways lined up. So make sure you jump on the live streams, get that alpha, and potentially win some airdrops and access to our premium channel. Have a profitable week. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye for now.